What is this? What is this? People, can you guess what this is? So I went to Akron, Ohio last month on the 24th and 26th. I was actually there the 23rd, 24th, 25th, and 26th. But I got there at 11 p.m. the 23rd, left at 8 a.m. the 26th. So I was there 2 days. And I went to go visit the good folks at Malco Products because they wanted to, well, I've been wanting to do a series which called something, I don't know, but it's something about one, I forgot what it's called, one brand, one something. Essentially is can you detail an entire vehicle inside and out, wash, clay, correct, coat, and then the inside, clean everything the best that you can with just one brand of products. I know a big question is always like, hey man, like which one is the best for this? Which one is the best for that? And my thing is, it really doesn't matter. You just have to do with what you have. And if you know what you're doing, any product will get you the end result that you want. Albeit, of course, there's gonna be some, you know, pros and cons to each one. But regardless, can you do an entire detail on the exterior correction and coating and interior cleaning and protecting with just one brand? So this is what they sent me over the entire line of products. So I just wanted to open up the box with you, just see what they sent me. And other than that, that's it. Like I'm gonna do a whole video series on that one brand, one detail. I don't know. I forget the dang name. But hopefully this is something I can keep on doing with other companies. That way I can just keep on proving to everyone that it doesn't matter. Did not mean to do that. It doesn't matter the tool and product. It matters how good you are with that tool and product, because the products don't suck. You suck. Even though I just dropped it. So let's get the opening. All right, so hopefully I stay in focus most of the time and you can kind of see me. But I mean, this part is gonna be pretty boring. All right. This box contains mixed items. First off, we got these buckets. How cool is that? Bucket. Let's just start with this first box right here. Alrighty, let's see here. I should get a bag. Look at the bag. Plastic things in her. This is their CR2 Epic CR2 Hydro Protect. Protect. There's 2 bottles of that. Oh, Jesus, almost fell. Whoops. It's all good. Let's see. Here we got their showroom shine spray, which is their spray wax, I believe, or something equivalent to that. Next, we got their odor sniper. So this is an odor eliminator. So that will be handy for those nasty interiors. And they sent me over multiple ones. They were really nice with agreeing to what I needed. Just because, like, if I want to do an entire series, I need more than like just a sample product. And that's why, like, a lot of times companies reach out and they're like, hey, can we send you some samples? I'm like, dude, I need something more than a sample, like, to really give you like a true, you know, feedback on it. This one is their all-purpose dressing. Cool. This is their banana cream wax. This is their leather protectant. Revive New for trim, cladding, and restorer. Clean and Shine for leather and plastic and vinyl. So I'm actually pretty excited to do this series just because it's just so a lot of you can shut up about complaining that you don't have a specific brand of something. All right, here we got gallon sizes of, this is their insect remover, bug off insect remover. This is their Red Thunder Biodegradable Degreaser. Their premium car and truck wash concentrate. I think this one's the one that it dilutes 1 to 400. Then we got their Enzyme Cleaner. So this removes organic matter. Basically, it's for interiors. So your organic matter. Oh, I just cut myself. Ain't that a doozy? We got the Iron Blaster Fallout Remover, A&L Cosmo Line Remover, removes petroleum-based transit coatings and Cosmo Line.
Ideal for a showroom or a lot of prep vehicle will not soften doors.
This is their Epic Ceramic Coating Starter Kit, prep wash, their final prep white, ceramic coating, the applicator, suede cloths, and a microfiber towel. A complete wheel and tire cleaner, non-acidic formula. Their fast shot. So this fast shot I've tried before in the past. I actually have a video on it. Works amazingly well, like really well, like better than what I've used in the past. The smell, delicious. And by that I mean it'll burn your nose hairs off. Oh, look at that. How pretty. So this is their Epic Paint Correction System. So the, here, Okay, so this is their ceramic. Also, this is just for their ceramic coating. So this is the one like they have their prep wash concentrate to wash the vehicle, final prep white to remove any oils, and then the ceramic coating itself. And then this is the correction system. So this is their compound and their polish and their, I guess their pads too. Their pads and some microfiber towels. Oh, here it is. This box contains explosives. Interesting. Just kidding, I didn't say that. The carpet and Hope Street cleaner, Oxy. This is their advanced silicone suspension dressing. So this is cool. I just use the same water-based dressing for suspension. So trying a silicone-based one for suspension will be interesting. Their ultraviolet premium wash and wax. I already grabbed that one. Microfiber refresh. So this is just to clean their microfiber towels. Blueberry paste wax. Last. But I am happy because I was thinking, I was like, oh dang, do I even have enough bottles for everything? And they gave me bottles. Because I was actually concerned that I didn't have bottles and then I have to go get some and I have to wait. A water bottle, a little coffee drink. I don't drink coffee. I mean, just for, I guess, keeping your beverage warm, but I don't drink coffee at all. I think in my entire lifetime on being on this planet, I probably drank less than 6 cups of coffee. Or like, I was like, you know what? I'll just try something. Like, get me something. I'll try it, right? Like, I'll drink it. It's probably been less than 6. This is a snazzy little jacket that I appreciate. What I go off of is naps. Like, if I need to refresh myself and if I need more energy, I'll take like a little 9-minute nap. And, oh, that was not supposed to happen. I'll take like a little 9-minute nap, a little 12-minute nap, and I'll be good like that. I'll be good like that. Oh, look at that little apron. I actually have one from AutoGeek that I've had for 6 years now. So I'm actually overdue on an apron. Like I don't have it with me, do I? No, I don't have it with me. It's in my correction container that I take, but it's old and like it's all ripping. So this is actually came in clutch. That was actually 5-inch insert shrink guards, static waffle cameos, wash mitts, 5-inch pads, a bunch of microfiber tiles, ultra soft microfiber cloths, edges 16 by 16 light blue. Do not know the GSM on it, but nonetheless, I'm gonna use all this jazz. I was trying to lean on this, but this didn't work out as intended. But yeah, so I'm gonna be making a series on this. I am pretty excited. Don't know what vehicle I'm gonna do that on, but aside from the series, there's gonna be a lot of videos, just a lot of videos. And again, it's not so much of like saying like Malco is the best. It's to say like, hey, using one brand to take care of an entire car is possible. Like you don't need to overcomplicate the process where you're always saying, you know, I need this brand for this specific purpose. I want this brand for that specific purpose. I mean, you know, if you know what you want, sure, but like if you're just starting off in your business or you just want to get into your garage and work a little, you don't need to overcomplicate the process. And I'll say it's the same thing as like working out. Like right now, like let's say for instance, and I was thinking about this the other day, where I was looking at other supplements for just, I guess, overall health, right? So obviously you have your protein and then you have your pre-workouts, right? Pre-workout for the gym, protein for protein intake. And then I started just like, it was Black Friday, I think, and I was like, oh, let me go check out some other you know, companies that offer other supplements. And I spent like an hour just looking at like what other companies have and who can I buy from and such. And then I was like, why am I searching for another product when what I have is enough? And it was just like, there's no need for me right now to look at other supplements when I'm still like in the building phase of my fitness, right? Like I don't need to go and say like, oh, well, let me go try this mango flavor. Let me go try this whatever. Let me get this. Like it's still all protein as long as you're buying a quality-based protein from like from a you know reputable brand. I was like, why am I wasting time here? So I didn't buy anything from anyone else because I was like, what's the point of searching for just another protein or another pre-workout or another like forgot what else I was looking for. But I was like, this is just a waste of time. Like I have the pre-workout, I have the protein, I don't need anything else than that. I mean, you do, but you don't. And I was like, you know what? I'm just I'm gonna just go work out and then come home and then that's it. Like what is this? It's unnecessary for me to look for other products for what? Like just because it's on sale. So I did it, and so I still have right now. I use Ghost protein and Ghost pre-workout. But once I do right now, I'll go for BPN and try out their stuff. But I have 2 tubs of protein and 1 pre-workout left. Once I get that done, okay, maybe I might be like, you know what? Okay, I'll try something else. And same thing, like I was thinking about how exactly that is to hear. Like, you can look for another wheel cleaner, but if you're just starting your business, like that's not where you want to put your mental power in decision making of what wheel cleaner should I get or what tire dressing should I get. It's like, how do I get customers? Anyhow, that rest up here. I'll probably make 1 video right now. And what's funny is that I recorded today alone. I had a job in the morning. I think I recorded 4 videos. This will be the 5th one today. And I think I'll knock out 1 or 2 right now. So I'll get in total like 6 videos. Wearing the exact same clothes and hat. I have a cold sore, which I hate them, but I get them like 3 times per year. Don't know why. I'm a clean person, but I get cold sores. And it's the worst in the world. But other than that, we'll leave it here. I'll make another video. But anyways, you'll see a lot of videos from me upcoming. And it's all going to be in the same thing. So, I don't know. See you on the next one.